Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Benjamin Arbov, CEO of Grow Enrollment. We are an AdWords digital marketing agency that specifically focuses on helping education organizations increase their enrollments while decreasing their cost per enrollment. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to take in your AdWords account to determine how much spend your account is wasting. I'm doing this because I want to make sure that the money you put into this program is enrolling as many students as possible and therefore potentially changing the most lives. So let's jump into step one. Please sign into your AdWords account. Next, we're going to go on the top right and select the date range. If your account spends more than $100,000 per month, please select a 3-month time period. If your account spends less than $100,000 per month, please select a 6-month time period. For this exercise, we've selected a 4-month time period of January 1st to April 30th, 2019, because we actually took this account over on May 1st, 2019. So we wanted to show you guys the most recent activity before we took over. After selecting your date range, let's hit apply. Once that is done, I want you to go to the far left and expand this out. Because we're just analyzing the search campaigns, we want to make sure that we're just looking at search campaigns, not display or video, but just search. So you want to make sure that you hit search campaigns. And then after that, we could expand this back in. Then we want to make sure that we have the opportunity to analyze all the campaigns, all the ad groups, and all the keywords that had any activity during the date range that you've selected. So you want to go here and make sure that the campaign status says all. And then we want to go to ad groups, which is right under campaigns, and make sure that the ad group status says all. And then we want to do the same for keywords, which is down here. We want to make sure the keyword status says all. This prevents the system from hiding any data. Next, I want you to go over to search terms, which is up here. These are the actual keywords that people enter into the search engines to find your organization. Super, super important data. After we do that, we want to select columns before we analyze the data. So go here on the right, columns, modify columns. And the columns that we recommend for this analysis is the following: clicks, cost, impressions, click-through rate, average CPC, conversions, cost per conversions, and conversion rate. After you've selected these columns, please hit apply. Conversions represent your leads, either a form field, a phone call, or a chat, or a combination of all. Now we have all the raw data as well as the columns we want to look at. Then you want to hit add filter, which is on the left side here. And the filter that we're looking for is conversions. So you want to search for CONVER. We choose this filter because a conversion is a lead. Please make sure that anything that is being counted as a conversion is an actual lead, not a PDF download or a newsletter subscription. We're trying to analyze how much money is not generating any leads whatsoever. So you want to hit conversions, and then you want to put this arrow to less than 0.0001. This is essentially telling the system that we only want data on keywords or queries that did not generate any enrollments or leads. After that, the next step is to scroll down to the bottom of the page. This will allow us to see exactly how much the account is wasting. Based on the numbers for this account and this date range, the total amount of wasted spend over a 4-month period is $513,000. When you consider the total spend of $756,000, that $513,000 is a large percentage. We're looking at about 65 to 70% of spend being wasted on keywords that generated no leads, no enrollments, no sales, nothing. Are you wasting more on AdWords than you thought? Please read the information below for recommendations on how to reduce your wasteful AdWords spend on a month-to-month basis. Thank you so much for tuning in.